Hey everyone, what's up? My name's Elaine and today I want to talk to you a little bit about Prostastream. Where to buy it, does it really work? So stay tuned because I have some very special information for you. The first thing you guys need to know is where to buy it. It is only sold on their official website. And to help you out, I have left the link of the official website down below on the description box. But you may be asking, what is Prostastream for? Well, Prostastream is a nutritional supplement marked as the #1 method to help support a healthy prostate. Now, you guys need to know that the supplement is sold exclusively online and it has been making a difference and lots of success and being recognized for the effectiveness of the treatment. Prostastream is a way to help men target prostate problems as they get older. More than 50% of men over the age of 50 start experiencing some symptoms of hyperplasia as they age. This is completely natural for most men. Your prostate naturally gets bigger as you get older. Another important point that I must tell you is that Prostastream is no magic. It will not work overnight. But manufacturers do guarantee that it will help you solve your prostate problem. And if it doesn't, they will give you all your money back. Yeah, they do that. Many people have started seeing the results after using Prostastream. But guys, like I said, it's no magic. You do need to do the treatment correctly. Some people will get results in the first few weeks. Some people will get results later in a few months. Remember, our bodies are all different, so we will all act different towards this pill. And for it to work, you need to do the treatment correctly and take it every single day. If you have conditions, start with the recommended treatment. Buy 2 bottles and start your treatment. So that's it. That's how Prostastream works. I really hope that helped you out. And don't worry guys, there are no side effects because this product is all natural, so it's completely safe. Remember, if this product doesn't work for you or you simply don't like it for any other reason, you can get your money back. I really hope that this video has helped you understand how Prostastream works, and I really hope that it helps you. So this is it for now. I'm staying right here, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye!